Right here in my hands is a package that I got from a company called Mossime. Now, they're gracious enough to send it to me. They wanted me to review it, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So, let's open it up and let's see what it is. So, what this is, it's a griddle caddy for the Blackstone griddles. What do you think? Now the box feels pretty heavy, and with this, I mean, feels heavy duty. It clamps because it's going to clamp on to if you're using a griddle, or in my case, on my kettle. That's what I'm going to be clamping it onto. Alright, I'm going to put it together. Here are the instructions. They're pretty straightforward, telling you what to do. Alright, so we're going to turn it this way, and then your two clamps. See right there, they're gonna go right in just like that. So it'll be just like that. And the other one goes right in like that. Next, we got to hang it on the side shelf. It's going to be like that, and then you'll start turning knobs at the bottom. Alright, got one side on. Now let's do the other. Here's for the paper towel holder. So we got one on this side and then one on the other side. So it just goes right in. Just like that. Comes with 4 J hooks. So I'm going to hook them on this side. Just like that. And here's the last piece. It's magnetic. To see it, and it got it good. It gripped it good, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks awesome. Alright, let's add to it. Your paper towels right there. Your rubs. Your sauces. What do you think? Oh, I'm digging it. I am digging it. I gotta say, I am digging it. This is so awesome. Just look at that. Man, you got your sauces, your rubs. You need your paper. You need your spatula. Man, this is awesome. So this will work with the griddle, the Blackstone griddle, or in this case, what I have right here off my kettle on the side shelf. As you can see, it's holding up well. Look at that. This is truly awesome. I really like it a lot. So I give this thumbs up. This is awesome. I really enjoy it, and it clears up this space so I can have other items right here and then have what I need right here, so I won't have to go either back and forth going inside garage or wherever I'm at. For, like I said, if it's too much right here, I have this space right here utilized right here. So this right here, it's legit. So I'm gonna leave a link down below if you want to purchase it. So, well, I hope this video did well for you, and as always, thanks for stopping by, thank you for watching, and smoke on, everyone.